This is Gokhan. Today we will have another amazing house tour. Firstly, I would like to thank the listing agent Johnny Arboleda. This is an open house tour, so you can see some visitors inside the house. Enjoy the video.
Introducing a beautifully renovated two-family home that offers the perfect blend of contemporary style and classic charm. Step inside to discover a thoughtfully designed layout that maximizes both space and functionality. The main level of this two-family home features a spacious living room with large windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior. The neutral color palette and modern finishes create an ambience that is both warm and inviting. Making your way upstairs, this fully renovated apartment features 2 additional bedrooms with generous closet space complete the upper level. A fully renovated bathroom and a beautifully designed kitchen. Outside, a generously sized backyard awaits your personal touch. Whether you envision creating a tranquil oasis, a play area, or a space to entertain, this blank canvas allows you to bring your dreams to life. A private driveway and 2 detached garages provide ample parking for multiple vehicles. Conveniently located, this two-family home offers easy access to schools, shopping centers, and major transportation routes. With its proximity to parks, recreational facilities, and cultural attractions, there is always something to explore and enjoy in this vibrant community. A freshly painted exterior and well-maintained landscaping welcome you to explore further. Nestled in a desirable neighborhood. Upon arrival, you'll be captivated by the home's attractive curb appeal.